Well, I'm here with one of the historic names in Italian wine, Gaia, and to talk about it is Gaia, presenting here at Opera Wine. And tell me about this delicious wine you're presenting today.
Hi, I'm presenting with a lot of pride the wine that my family is making since 150 years. It's the wine that is Barbaresco. The wine that we have always been producing is the wine that we produce in the village of Barbaresco, and it's a wine that I am very proud to present because I think it's the wine that represents us the most and that we had to work very, very hard to make people know about. Because Barbaresco was a wine that in the past, simply 50 years ago, was suffering the competition of Barolo. And between Barolo and Barbaresco, if people, they were always describing Barbaresco with a word. They were saying that Barbaresco was less structured than Barolo, was less powerful, was less tannic. That was the word. And we were coming from Barbaresco, and so we loved it, and we had to make understand to the world that Barbaresco is not less, is more delicate, is more gentle, is another expression that is not less, is not weaker, but is more delicate. And it's been a long story and many years of work, and it's now loved by a lot of little niches of people around the world.
So being recognized here at this Opera Wine event is sort of a vindication for you and the Gaia name.
Yeah, we're very proud, and we are seeing a lot of familiar faces and friends from all over the world, and so it's a very great venue where some of the most dear and all the time friends are coming to say hi to us.
Well, it's an honor to sit and chat with you, Gaia, and I look forward to tasting your beautiful wine.
Thank you.
Grazie.